Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the e-learning class of social science. Today we will start with lesson number 4 of geography, that is mineral and power resources. In today's class we will learn about the meaning of minerals, types and extraction of minerals, distribution of minerals across the world and in our country India. Students, minerals are the naturally occurring substances having their own chemical composition and they are found inside the earth. मिनरल्स अर्थ के अंदर पाए जाने वाले कुछ ऐसे नेचुरल सब्सटेंस हैं जिनकी अपनी पर्टिकुलर करैक्टरिस्टिक्स होती हैं, जिससे कि हमें यह पता चलता है कि वह आयरन है, गोल्ड है या डायमंड है. मिनरल्स आर नॉट इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एंड दे आर आइडेंटिफाइड on the basis of color, density, hardness, fracture, etc. Means minerals are different to each other on many grounds. They are having different colors and their luster is also different to each other. For example, कुछ मिनरल्स दिखाई देने में डल लुक देते हैं, कुछ ग्रीसी, कुछ अर्थी और कुछ पर्ली. Next difference is made on the basis of fracture and cleavage. Both fracture and cleavage describe how a mineral breaks. Fracture refers to the rough or irregular surfaces along which the mineral breaks, and cleavage refers to the flat planes along which some minerals break. Minerals are differentiated on the basis of hardness also. Some minerals are more hard while others are less. For example, as you can see in the given chart, diamond is the hardest of all. Our next topic is types of mineral resources. There are about 3000 types of minerals found in the lithosphere. On the basis of composition, the minerals can be classified into metallic and non-metallic minerals. Students, metallic minerals are minerals that contain metals. For example, iron, gold, silver, etc. But non-metallic minerals do not contain metals such as limestone, mica, gypsum, nitrate, etc. Metallic minerals have a shine of their own. Metallic minerals की अपनी चमक होती है, while non-metallic minerals do not have a shine of their own. Metallic minerals are mostly found in the igneous rocks, while the non-metallic minerals are found in the sedimentary rocks. Igneous rocks are formed from the cooling of lava or magma, while sedimentary rocks are formed from the layers of soil, sand, silt, etc. These are the images of metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals contain iron metal in them and non-ferrous minerals doesn't contain iron but may contain some other metals such as gold or copper. Our next topic is extraction of minerals. Extraction means how to take out the minerals from the earth's crust. It can be taken out by 3 methods. These 3 methods are mining, drilling and quarrying. Mining is the process of digging out of minerals from the earth's crust. It is of 2 types, open cast mining and shaft mining. First of all, we will see how open cast mining is done. We know that minerals are inside the earth and open cast mining is used when minerals are at the shallow depth. मीन्स जब मिनरल्स ज़्यादा गहराई में ना हो तब ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग का यूज किया जाता है. अंडर दिस मेथड सोयल कवर इज रिमूव्ड एंड द ओर्स आर एक्सकेवेटेड बाय डिगिंग और cutting. Open cast mining and quarrying are almost similar to each other. Shaft mining is done when the minerals are deeply inside the earth. In this case, deep bores are dug and after that lifts are used to bring out the ores to the surface. Drilling method is used when the minerals are deep inside the earth. For example, petroleum and natural gas are found at the great depth. So deep wells are bored to take them out to the surface. Our next topic is distribution of minerals. The surface of earth is made up of rocks. Rocks contain minerals. Some countries have rich deposits of minerals, while in few places it is scarce. So we can say that these are not evenly distributed on the earth's surface. Now we will see some of the important minerals. Our first and most important mineral is iron. The iron-rich ores are mostly found in Russia, China, India, USA, Canada, South Africa, Germany, Brazil and Australia. Russia has the largest reserves of iron ore and China is the largest producer. Next mineral is manganese. Russia is the largest producer of manganese in the world. Other producers include India, Brazil, China, Mexico, South Africa, Australia, Congo and Japan. Next one is bauxite ore. This is an ore of aluminium. Aluminium is obtained when bauxite is refined. The main producers of bauxite are Australia, Jamaica, Indonesia, Russia, Guyana, Malaysia, India, Greece, etc. Next one is tin ore. The main producers of tin are Malaysia, China, Bolivia, Indonesia, Thailand, Nigeria, Congo, Australia and Brazil. Next one is nickel ore. Nickel is specially used to make stainless steel. The main producers of nickel are Canada, Russia, Australia, Cuba, South Africa and Indonesia. Canada is the largest producer of nickel in the world. The next important mineral is gold, which is used to make the jewelry. The main producing countries of the gold are Canada, Japan, South Africa, USA, Zimbabwe, Australia, Mexico, Russia, China, Indonesia and India. South Africa is the largest producer of gold in the world. Our next topic is distribution of minerals in India. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. Major limestone producing states in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Iron is mainly found in Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Major bauxite producing areas are Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Orissa, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Copper is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Manganese is mainly found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Kolar mines in Karnataka has deposits of gold in India. Dear students, hope you understood the lesson very well. We will do power resources in our next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.